and today I'm going to show you how to repair your broken disc. Let's see here. One sec here. I still have it. Here it is. So here's a broken disc, as you can see. It literally has a cut right through it. So what you first want to do is put some Kool-Aid liquid on it. That always helps. So just just put it all over there. Yeah. And you also want to drink some of them. Yeah. Just spread it around. That should work well. Yeah, guys. Make sure it's all in the cracks. Okay. Okay, guys. The next thing you want to do is microwave the DVD. Now, I read this article here, and it says that it could damage your microwave. So, it says you can minimize the risk to your microwave by using the minimum time you can see the effect. Just go up here. It says nuke the CD for a few seconds. Do not microwave the CD for extended period of time. More than a few seconds is too long. So I guess a few seconds. I guess 5 seconds. And it also says to use a glass of water or damp paper towel. So I'll do that. Alright guys, so now that we read that article, we're going to microwave it now. Now we need to be very careful. And put on a wet paper towel just like it said. Okay. So place it down. Grab our paper towel. Oh, fuck, I dropped my phone. Make it slightly wet. Yeah, that's totally slightly wet, Cam. Who cares? We just put that on now. Okay. It's on. Now just 5 seconds. Okay. Holy shit, that made a loud noise. So, it's probably going to be really hot, so we're going to get our up glove here. Okay, we got it up glove. Okay, now just pick it up. Just see, it wasn't in there that long. But if you look closely, you can see the little cracks. Not that really visible camera. So now you've had your disc in the microwave. Throw your stupid paper towel. Close the microwave. Okay. Now what you need to do next is put your disc in the toaster for one. Okay, we're just gonna leave that in for a while. See the... I'll keep dropping down. Okay, I'll check back on you when it's done toasting. Hey guys, it's done microwaving now. So it's just... I'll just take it out of there. Okay, I need to get it out myself without holding the camera. Okay, here it is. See, it's completely toasted. It's just... Look at that, just completely... Anyways, after a couple of days, it should turn back into its original state and completely repaired. It's really hot. Yeah, it's so hot I can even feel it through the glove. You gotta make sure it cools. So we need to put it in the freezer. Okay, so you got your disc now. Let me just take it apart. Oops, I accidentally broke it. Ah, dang it. Yeah, this thing is toast. It's just toast. Haha, very funny, fun. Okay. Fat finger guy. Okay, so it's your disc. What you need to do next is put in your coffee machine. If you don't have a coffee machine, you can't repair your disc. So just put it in there. Okay, it'll take a while for preheat. Okay, and then it says this pod isn't designed for your brewer. Try one of the hundreds of pods with the kool-aid logo. Work, damn it! Come on. Dispense hot water, fine. 10 oats. Let's go. Okay, it should just come. What the fuck is this shit? Look, it literally says hot, do not lift. And I just lifted it. Okay. So what you need to do is get some expired lemon lime Gatorade and put it in there. Just put it in there. Okay, now continue. Should start dispensing. Maybe I need more. Let's put some Windex in there. Shut the I'm just doing this in the middle of the night. And put some Dawn there. Pokey. Just put some Dawn in there. Okay. I'm gonna spray some Keep Off in there. I continue to start pouring now. Preheating? Are you kidding me? Okay. Gotta make sure more comes out. Yeah. Okay. Just pick up your... That's really hot. Okay. Just put them in there. So this is really hot, so let's just grab it with our glove again. Okay. What? This is the UV glove. How could it? It really burned me, but I was wearing the UV glove. Is the UV glove alive? It's too hot to put it for recording, but you need to put in the microwave for a couple of hours. The freezer. Alright guys. So guys, it's been a couple of hours and you can see now that it's frozen. That's what you want to happen. So now, it's all frozen now. That's what you need to do, because it was way too cold, it was way too hot before, so it needed to cool down. Broke the ice. Okay, let's check on our disc now. It's really cold water. Alright guys, so here's our disc. Okay, so it should be, the disc should be repaired now. So let's see here. Here's my portable DVD player. Oh, forgot to have this in. Okay, so let's put in our disc now. Okay, it should work now. What do you mean no disc? Let me put it on top of it then. Come on guys, it should work. Okay. No disc. What do you mean no disc? That was a disc. I think this portable DVD player is just fucking broken. Or it's still not working. I think it's working, guys. It's just my stupid portable DPT player just doesn't want to work for some reason. This disc totally is not completely destroyed. It is totally repaired, guys. It is. So yeah, that's how to repair. See, that's how to you can see the disc. That's how to repair a broken disc.